ready to unlock a universe of stories and unleash your own voice. Let's get you signed up on Medium.com in just a few easy steps. First things first, head over to Medium.com. You'll see a friendly button, usually in the top right corner, that says, Get Started. Click that to begin your journey. Medium offers several convenient ways to create your account. You can choose to sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a super quick process. Simply click on your preferred option and follow the on-screen prompts. If you prefer to keep things separate or don't use those platforms, no worries. You can also sign up with just your email address. Look for the Sign In with Email option below the social media logins. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but also hard for others to guess. Then, click Continue. Medium will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open your inbox. Find that email and click the confirmation link inside. This verifies your account and unlocks full access. Once confirmed, you'll be logged into your new Medium account. Now, to personalize your experience, you can choose some topics that interest you. This helps tailor the stories you'll see on your homepage. Browse through the categories and tap on the ones that spark your curiosity, like technology, health, fiction, or even politics. The more you select, the better Medium can recommend content you'll love. And there you have it. Your personalized Medium homepage is ready. You can now start exploring a vast library of articles and even begin crafting your own stories by clicking the right button.